Hey and hello and welcome back to Cooking with Howie, and it's nice to have you here. Today we're going to be making something really special. I really like. I've been waiting for it all week. Sausage, pepper and onion hero, submarine, hoagie, sandwich, whatever. But anyways, I do have two special ingredients that I think that you really like. It's different. You'd never know that they're in there until we're told that it's in there. But anyways, my mom actually came up with this, putting this in the sausage, pepper, and onions. So I'm going to show you that now. Okay. All right. So we got, sorry about that. We have here hot Italian rope sausage, just like they sell at the county fair and, New Jersey down the shore. This is really good stuff. I get this at Gordon Food Service. They have it there frozen, so it's very easy. Just take it home, defrost it, and put it in the hot pan. And we get that sizzling away. We're on about medium 3/4 heat here, 3/4 up towards hot. And we're going to get this browned on both sides. We're just going to open this up a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and let that brown. And I've already cut onions and peppers. So I've got a big bowl here. These are a little bigger than you would normally do for Chinese food. These are a little thicker because they're going to cook down. So you want to leave them a little bit larger than, thinly sliced. So anyways, I got a bunch of those. You can always add more if you need more, but we're going to put them in later. Because the sausage takes a little while to cook. So our first special ingredient of the day, Napa cabbage. This is amazing in sausage, pepper, and onions, and I'm going to cut this up right now. I'm going to show you about how to do that for this. And we're going to take about 4, let's make it, we're going to do like 5. We're going to do 5 of these. And so all you got to do to cut these up, just lay them the lengthways, and then just slice them across like so. We get down there, and that's pretty good. And I'm going to do maybe just a couple of more pieces just for good luck. You don't want these pieces too big. These will cook down and kind of wilt a little bit and kind of disappear in there, but they really do put a really unique flavor enhancement into there. So that's what I like to do with that. Okay, we're going to wait for the sausage to brown now, because sausage takes a little while to cook, and you don't want medium rare sausage. All right, now we're going to flip our sausage over. And it's looking beautiful. We're going to open that up a little bit, let some heat get around the insides. That's just looking amazing, isn't it? Oh, it smells good. So it's been about 5 minutes on either side, and I'm going to lower the heat to a medium low. And we're going to get the sausage out of the pan for a minute. And we're going to add a little olive oil. We're going to leave all those drippings and all that burnt stuff down there because it's going to add flavors. And we're going to go ahead now and we'll add our onions and peppers and the cabbage, the Napa cabbage, secret ingredient. Our mom. And the secret ingredient, besides the Napa cabbage, good old-fashioned soy sauce. And you want to put a liberal amount of soy sauce in there. That's probably about 2 tablespoons. I'll just put a little more olive oil over the top. I'm going to take our sausage and put that on top of there. Then, get this out of the way. We got Reynolds wrap. I bought the heavy Reynolds wrap because I don't have a lid for this ginormous skillet. So we're going to cover it with the foil and keep that steam in there and the heat. And just wrap it around the sides. Be careful here not to burn your hands with the frying pan because it is hot. I burnt my hands so many times I don't feel much anymore. Anyways, we're going to turn that down to about quarter power on the stove top there. And we're going to let this set and do its thing for about, I don't know, 30 minutes, I think. We'll take a look at it in a little bit and we'll stir it around in about 15 or 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. We'll stir it and we'll see how it's doing. All right, so I bought these nice hoagie rolls. These look pretty good. They should come out real nice. And so what I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to cut it while it's cool. And there's, still a little dry. They're good. They bought them yesterday. We're not going to cut all the way through. We're going to try to leave a little anchor there. And we're going to pour a little bit of olive oil inside the roll to keep it moist, like so. Use my finger as a little plug there to keep it all from just pouring out. And then we're going to use some more foil. I got the oven at 375. And so what we're going to do is we're going to close the roll back up again. All right. Put it there like that. And then we're going to take a little bit of water on our fingers and just sprinkle around on it, okay? And so we're going to put this in the oven. And that water is going to steam fresh this roll, make it nice and soft and yummy. All right, so that's ready to go in the oven when we get close to making this. We're going to have that in the oven for about 10 minutes to get itself steamed up and ready to go. So that's about it for now. Be back in a little bit. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's see what we got going on here. We're gonna mash this sausage down into here a little bit, and they're just getting there. They're not even close yet. We gotta break up the onions a little bit by just kind of smashing our tongs in there and moving it about. We're gonna put this over here. I'm gonna put that over there. Get you over here. Yeah. Make them all happy. Look at this. You could smell this like I can. You'd say, oh man, is it ready yet? Haha. Not yet. All right, we're going to cover them back up again. Do some more. Okay, so in about 20 minutes. Oh, we're getting there now. We got softness. We got happiness. We got good smells. So everything is just about there. So now I'm going to go ahead, put my roll in the oven. And this is about when my mom would have rang the loud bell outside the house to give us a 20-minute warning to tell us that dinner is almost ready to be served. And by the time you were done running around, swimming, riding your bicycles, doing all kinds of stuff, you were happy to hear that bell ring, and you could hear it, from just about anywhere. And sometimes maybe we just thought we heard it, but we knew we heard that bell. It was time to wrap up the games, finish what we were doing, and come home, get cleaned up, and eat. Alrighty then. I think it's time for us to construct a sandwich. So I've got my roll here out of the oven. Oh, it's nice and soft and chewy. And so we're going to go ahead and just measure ourselves off a piece of, woo, look at that. Look at all that juice come out of that. That's why we don't touch it. while it's doing its thing. Oh, we need a little more. That's all right. Let's give them a little more. There we go. You get a little more piece. And then I'm going to take some of the onions and peppers and the cabbage. We'll just move it around there. There's some more of that. One more of those. And a piece of cabbage. There we go. We have a beautiful sausage and pepper and onion sandwich ready for the eating. And I'm going to eat. I'm going to put the video together. I'm going to send it to you. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe if you can. I'd appreciate it. And if you have any comments to make about it, let me know. Thanks. I'll see you next time.